Hello everybody from anatomy class. My name is Rachel Rodriguez Cruz and today is the 1st of May. Happy May month, and this is the back of this card, and then here I listed all of the tissues and parts that we need to point out from the cow eye. So here it is, and this is the back of it. So I did a dissection already, and I do want to point out that it was a little bit tougher than I thought that it would be to like divide the eye between anterior and posterior, but I did it. I left it a little bit attached to itself, but I will be showing you guys everything. So the first thing that I would like to point out is the cornea. So here is the cornea of the eye, and then this is the sclera right here. And then we have the pupil of the eye, and the pupil of the eye, I would like, if we open here, it would be, just put it right here, right? So we see the pupil here, which is like that clear pore. Yep. And then we have the iris, which surrounds the pupil, and then you can see it right here. It's like kind of like this black filament, and like it's surrounding it. Then after that we have the choroid or choroid coat, and that you can see in like posterior part of the eye, and it would be kind of like this black, shade here, and it also where my finger is, you can like see it there too. Then we have the retina, and of course the retina is like a very famous part of the eye, and like we could see it right here, right? That is the retina of the eye. The next one is the lens, and the lens, when I opened the eye, like the lens kind of fell off of it. It's right here. Then I have the vitreous humerus, and I do want to point out that the vitreous humerus is what fills the posterior cavity of the eye, and unfortunately when I opened the eye, it kind of like everything came out of it. But if we like see the eye right here on the screen, so like the posterior part, it would be like all of this back in the inside of the eye, and then the vitreous humerus is like the fluid that fills it. And then we have the anterior cavity, and the anterior cavity is placed between the cornea and the lens. So it would be from here all the way to the lens, which like it would be placed here as on top of the iris. So and it also came all of it out of the aqueous humerus. So yeah, I don't have that to show, but that is in the interior part of the eye. And the last thing that I have on my list to point out is the optic nerve, and I'm looking for it, and I had it here. Yep. I kind of like had to take some of this fatty tissue out of it, but you can see the optic nerve right here. It's like kind of like a hard tissue, so like that's how I distinguish it. Like it's harder than the rest of the tissue around it. So that's the optic nerve, and it's been a super fun exercise and experiment, and I think it's very productive to like do all of the dissections, so actually have some hints on experience. Thank you. Bye bye.